A warm welcome to everyone. In today's video lecture series, I am here to discuss on the topic various causes of deterioration or damage to a building. There are different factors leading to failure of the structure, upon which there are three major causes. One of the causes occurrences incidental to the various stages of construction. One of the major reason for failure of the structure is the foundation failure, which is due to local settlement of subgrade soil. Settlement is the process of vertical downward movement of the soil structure due to heavy loads of the building acting on the soil. So that subgrade soil should be strengthened and should be capable of withstanding any amount of loading of the structure by transferring the load safely to the ground surface without causing any failure. So that should be properly ensured. Otherwise, the subgrade soil should be strengthened or stabilized by using various chemical and mineral admixtures. The next reason is movement of formwork. Formwork is a structure which is constructed which provides shape to the various concrete elements such as beams, columns and slabs. It is supported by means of props so that the poured concrete after a period of 28 days it provides intact shape to the building. So it should be ensured that the formwork movement is greatly minimized so that there is no damage to the structure due to movement of formwork. Next major reason is vibration of buildings. The vibration of building occurs due to presence of various equipments, machineries, and also due to natural causes such as earthquakes. So the vibration of buildings should be controlled by use of tuned mass dampers, elastomeric bearings, and other vibration control devices incorporated inside the building so that the cracks formed due to vibration can be greatly minimized. Next is internal settlement of concrete suspension. Since the concrete is a mixture of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate, these three components have various densities, out of which coarse aggregate has greater density and it settles at the bottom of the concrete, which is called as segregation of concrete. This internal settlement or segregation of concrete is most common. We have to ensure that concrete mix is mixed properly according to Indian Standard Code mixed design procedure so that the settlement of internal suspension of the concrete is prevented, which is the major reason of deterioration of the building. Next is shrinkage of concrete. Shrinkage refers to decrease in volume of the concrete due to reduction in moisture content of the concrete. At the time of setting of concrete, there is possibility of shrinkage due to evaporation of concrete or reduction in moisture content of the concrete, both at the internal surface and also at the outer surface of the concrete. Next reason is premature removal of formworks. Formwork should be removed only after 21 days in order the concrete is set and the required strength is achieved. If the formwork is removed within the stipulated period, the required strength of concrete is not achieved, which leads to collapse of the structure. So this should be prevented. Next is design and construction flaws. Improper design and improper choice of method of construction of the concrete shows deterioration of the structure at a faster rate in comparison with proper design of concrete. This is an example of deterioration of building due to improper design of structure. Next major cause is the environmental effect, that is the presence of micro cracks due to access of moisture and atmospheric carbon dioxide into the concrete. This leads to the attack of reinforcement and reaction with various ingredients of concrete, which leads to corrosion of the concrete. The corrosion of the concrete is also due to exposure of concrete to marine environment, which leads to chloride and sulfate attack of the concrete. In such aggressive environment, the concrete structures will deteriorate faster and the strength of the concrete will be severely reduced. Another important cause for deterioration of the building is use of poor quality of materials. We have to ensure that the quality of materials used in construction should be of high standards and good quality, and it should be ensured by performing various tests as specified in the Indian standard codes. The various external agencies for damage of the structure involves earthquake, wind, fire, cyclones, etc. Thank you for listening to this video lecture series on various causes for damage of the structure. Let's meet again in another video regarding repair and maintenance of the structure, which is caused due to various factors which is discussed in this video. Have a good day. Thank you.